There's an ice cream truck about to go by. I swear, I've never heard an ice cream truck make this sound. This has to be a fake ice cream truck. I hear him too. There's a fake ice cream truck. Someone's doing something. Fuck this shit. He's down there talking to some kid. I don't know if you can see him right there. See that light? Sketchy though. It's a fake ice cream truck so bad. Never heard this sound. Oh my god. Shoot. There's some sketchy guys standing down there too. I'm more concerned about that guy. He just like rolled up out of nowhere, went down, like from down there and all went down that way, and then like all of a sudden like you see him down there, and like I was thinking like what if it's like not a real ice cream truck because I've never heard one make that sound. I'm like, what if it's like some sort of like rapist or something, or, like child abductor, and like no joke, as soon as I said that I heard him coming back down the road. So like, this is sketchy. Probably can't see him. Trying to keep a low profile. Oh my god, it's fucking coming. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's sketchy. So scary. Bro, did you hear the sounds it was making though? Like, oh, so bad.